Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from your blockchain wallet. First, log into your account securely using your credentials and any two-factor authentication you have enabled. Once inside, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for a clear option labeled Send or Withdraw to begin the process. This is your gateway to moving funds out of your digital wallet. After selecting the Send or Withdraw option, you'll need to specify which cryptocurrency you want to move. For example, if you have Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Next, input the precise amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to double-check this number. The system will then display any network or transaction fees, which might be a small percentage of your withdrawal. Now, this is a crucial step. You must provide the recipient's wallet address. Copy and paste this address directly from the receiving wallet to avoid errors. It's vital to verify every character of the address, as funds sent to an incorrect address are often unrecoverable. Also, ensure you select the correct network for your chosen cryptocurrency. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details: the cryptocurrency, the amount, the recipient address, and any fees. This final check is essential. You will likely be prompted for a security confirmation, such as a two-factor authentication code. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed, and funds will be sent to the specified address.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.